Flow of energy notes. Energy in a living system. All living things need energy. Energy made by plants through photosynthesis is transferred to an animal that eats it. That animal then transfers that energy to the next animal which eats it, and so on and so on. Food chain. A pathway in which energy and nutrients are passed from one living organism to another. Energy is used up as it moves up the food chain. The arrow represents energy being transferred. Food web, a network of food chains by which energy and nutrients are passed on from one living organism to another. The arrows represent energy being transferred. Energy is greatest at the bottom of the food web, so in this area where the producers are. Energy pyramid. It's a graphical model of energy flow in a community. Where is the energy the lowest? It's simple. It is where the population is the smallest and the smallest part of the triangle, so at the top. Producers make their own plants or make their own food, so they are plants. Consumers get energy from eating other organisms. And decomposers recycle dead organisms into chemical nutrients used in soil, air, and water. Herbivores eat only plants. So these are organisms and animals that only eat plants. They're like vegetarians. Carnivores only eat meat. So these are your bigger animals, such as tigers, sharks, top of the food chain or middle of the food chain. Omnivores eat both plants and meat. Scavengers eat only dead organisms, so vultures. The flow always goes from the producer or the plant to the primary consumer, which eats the plants, to the secondary consumer, which eats the primary consumer, to the tertiary consumer, which eats anything it can. It's a top predator. Hope this helps.